I would like to review the Treatlife smart light switch. I installed this one originally and decided to install the other two. I'm gonna demonstrate the Alexa commands. Alexa, turn off the outside lights. So when it's off, this light comes on. I'm gonna turn it off and gonna give her the command to this particular light. Alexa, turn on front door light. And that's exactly what it did. Turn on the outside light. Alexa, turn off hallway lights. And that's exactly what it did. So those are the different commands for the Alexa app. Very good, very easy to install. All the instructions are in the package. And hope that they will last. They have different options in the app. So I'm gonna be playing with it. Bye.